In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IFERROR function in Google Sheets. The IFERROR function is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to handle errors gracefully within your spreadsheets, ensuring your formulas don't come to a screeching halt due to unexpected errors like dividing by zero. So, whether you're dealing with a small dataset or a complex calculation, this tutorial will help you make your spreadsheets cleaner and more robust. First things first, let's start by opening up a Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, just open a new sheet by visiting Google Sheets in your browser. Once you have your sheet open, navigate to cell E2. This is where we'll enter our formula. In Google Sheets, each cell can potentially hold data, and when you perform calculations, it's easy to encounter errors. Maybe you're dividing numbers and one of your denominators turns out to be empty or zero. Errors can easily pop up. This is where the IFERROR function steps in. By using it, we can catch those errors and decide how we want to handle them. Next, in cell E2, we're going to type the formula. Go ahead and enter the following: IFERROR D2C2. What this formula is doing is taking the value in cell D2, dividing it by the value in cell C2, and checking if an error occurs. If that division results in an error, IFERROR will step in. It can be configured to display a message or leave the cell blank. Though we haven't specified anything here, by default this will display a blank cell when an error occurs. You can modify this to display a message like invalid calculation if you prefer. Once you've typed the formula in cell E2, simply press the Enter key. This will activate the formula and perform the calculation. If there's any error like trying to divide D2 by 0, IFERROR will ensure it doesn't disrupt your spreadsheet by managing it according to your setup. Now, to extend this functionality across more rows, we can use the autofill feature. Place your cursor on the bottom right corner of cell E2 until you see a small blue square. Click and drag this square down across the column to automatically apply the formula to additional cells. This saves you the hassle of typing the formula repeatedly for each row. And there you have it. You've now learned to use the IFERROR function in Google Sheets to handle potential errors in your calculations smoothly. Remember, this function is exceptionally versatile and can be a real lifesaver in maintaining the integrity of your data. Thanks for following along, and happy spreadsheeting.